Traffic warning tayo, balik tayo sa traffic warning. Now, when it comes sa traffic warning, dalawa, visual tsaka verbal. Yung visual, tol, ano yan, tol? Sign. Sign lang ginagamit dyan. Sign. Use when you have observed or violation or importantly occupied. Pag sinabing occupied, busy yung busy yung traffic forcer. Meron siyang, tawag nito, ah, sinay-citationan at the same time, nakita siya ng violation ng ibang motorist, sininyasan niya lang. Okay, sininyasan niya. Okay, kasi nga occupied po siya. Verbal warning naman tol, usually tol, verbal warning, ito yung napagsalitaan po kayo. Form of safety education by telling the driver or violator that he violated the law and explain hazard of such violations. Para mo siyang this is a kind of verbal, parang pinagsabihan mo siya regarding to the act. Okay. Ano ba? Panglima, evaluate the principles and procedures involving the traffic accident investigation. Ito po yung TOS natin. Ano pa yung pag-uusapan natin dito? Classification of events, principles of key events, different types of tire marks, impression, and other debris. Okay, last clear chance principle. Take note ha, na-mention ko po ito kanina regarding the last clear chance principle, mga chupapi. Okay, digit na board exam. Yan, po yan sa boarding. Aray ko, ikot, aray ko, okay. Kita mo dyan, tol. Okay. Nakakasunod ba kayo dyan? Press 1 na, tol. Press 1 ko nakakasunod kayo. Press 1 mga ba yung mga ano natin dyan. Buhay pa. Or, okay, sige, 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 sige. Balik tayo. Balik, balik, balik. Kinginang to. Okay, sige, balik, balik. Dinig, dinig. Klaro yung boses natin. Dinig ba, dinig? Okay, tol. Bullshit, maning signal, oy. Yun, okay. Fights, 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 fights. Okay. Okay, when it comes to traffic accident investigation, tol, okay, kita yung screen natin, kita yung screen. Okay, let's talk about the traffic accident investigation. Okay, pag sinabing traffic accident investigation, tol, ano nga yung other term sa investigation? Other term dyan is probing, ha, probing. Probing. Okay, ina-analyze natin what are the reasons kung bakit nagkaroon ng accident. And by means of investigation, tol, dito natin ma-apply yung tinatawag na last clear chance principle. Last clear chance principle. Pag sinabing last clear chance principle, kung sino po yung last na merong opportunity, okay, or merong chance na para maiwasan yung disgrasya, tol, siya po yung magiging liable nun. Okay, anong ibig sabihin po, sir? Okay, gaya nga ng example natin kanina, kunyari sa kalsada, tol, ha, merong bus. Tapos ikaw, nag-overtake ka dito. Kunyari, tol, yung isang sasakyan dito, aware na siya na nag-overtake ka. Supposed to be ang gagawin ng sasakyan dito is magbe-brake siya, magbe-brake para maka-overtake ka. What happens, sir? Hindi siya nag-brake. Nagkatuluyan kayo, tol. Nagbanggaan kayo, tol. Okay, so basically, itong vehicle na to, yung vehicle A is liable. That is what we call the last clear chance principle. Nagets niya ba? Nagets niya ba? Okay? Take note, ha? By means of investigation, malalaman natin kung sino yung liable. Okay. Take note dito, tol, yung cardinal rules, apply pa rin natin when it comes to investigation na cardinal rules. Anong nangyari? Sinong involved? Saan nangyari? Why, how, tsaka when. Bakit po sir kailangan natin alamin? Okay? Why? Okay. Take note pag why, reasons. Okay? Ano yung mga reasons kung bakit nangyari? Okay? Ano pa tol? Okay, dito tayo sa key events. Pag sinabing key events, ito yung mga pangyayari. Okay, sequence. Pag sinabing sequence, sir, magkakasunod-sunod po ito. An event on the road which characterize the manner of occurrence of a motor vehicle traffic accident. Anong ibig sabihin, sir? Okay, event on the road which characterize manner of occurrence of a motor vehicle. Okay, sir, ano tong mga debris or debris? Kapag nagpangga sa sasakyan, tol, ito yung ano, ito, yung mga nakakalat na ng mga ano, materials, okay, mga yupi-yupi, accumulation of broken parts, okay, broken parts of vehicles, this is what we call debris. Okay, debris pong tawag dyan mga chupapi, ha, debris. Ano ba tol? Ano ba tol? Okay, skid marks. Pag sinabing skid marks tol, nagkakaroon ng ganito kapag hindi nagro-rotate yung gulong. Take note ha, hindi nagro-rotate habang naka-forward motion. Forward movement. Hindi naka-forward movement. Okay? Naintindihan ba mga tol? Naintindihan ba? Okay, press 1 nga kayo dyan. Malapit na tayo matapos. Press 1 mga tol. Press 1. Aray ko. Aray ko. Ayaw ko eh. Okay. Sige, next tayo. Next. Take note ha. By looking at the skid marks, malalaman natin kung gaano kabilis. Okay, the speed kill. Mas mahabang skid marks physically. Mas mabilis yung takbo. Nangyari, malakas yung pag-press ng ano nyo, brake, hindi nagro-rotate, magkakaroon ng skid marks. How about yung scuff marks naman? Ano meron? Umiikot pa yung gulong. Okay? Umiikot pa yung gulong. Okay? Signs left on the road by tires that are sliding or scrubbing while the wheel is still turning. Anong ibig sabihin, tol? Kunyari, tol, na ano, tol, pumutok yung ligid, nag-explode flat, automatic, tol, magkakaroon ng scuff marks. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng scuff marks kapag, kunyari, flat yung ligid. Okay? Running flat. Ano pa, tol? Yaw marks naman. Anong ibig sabihin ng yaw marks? Okay, basically tol, ito yung mga markings na nagkakaroon ng drifting. Alam yung drift tol? Okay? Left by a tire that is still rolling. Umiikot pa daw yung gulong. Simultaneous is slightly laterally. Yaw marks, nagdi-drift na ano tol. Okay? Kung sa Bisaya pa tol, drift siya ba? Yung drifting, nagkakaroon niya ng markings lateral. Take note, lateral yung kanyang drift. O, dito tayo, tol. Motor vehicle traffic accident. Matik, tol. Sinong mali dyan? Sinong may mali? Sinong may kasalanan? Ha? Sinong may kasalanan dyan, tol? Buhay pa ba kayo, mga chupapi? Aray ko. Sinong may kasalanan? Automatic ito. Di ba? Matik na yan, tol. Okay. Sige, sige, sige. Ano tayo? Okay. Motor vehicle traffic accident. Pag sinabing motor vehicle traffic accident, tol, okay? Istara natin yan, tol, ha? Istara natin yan. Okay? Motor vehicle traffic accident, anong meron, tol? Okay? Nagbanggaan ang dalawang sasakyan sa traffic accident, sa traffic way. Okay? In a highway, okay? Ganyan. Example dito, this is a vehicle traffic accident. Pangalawa, motor vehicle non-traffic accident. Isang sasakyan ang involved, okay? Nabangga po siya sa easement. Accident on a private driveway. Pero kapag nagbanggaan sa ano tol, nagbanggaan sa kalsada, motor vehicle traffic accident. Pero kapag walang kabanggaan tol, dun lang sa ano, bumangga lang sa isang bahay, bumangga lang sa ano, gilid ng kalsada, that is a motor vehicle non-traffic accident. Non-traffic accident yan tol. Okay? Basic na yan ha, basic na yan tol, basic yan tol. Okay, ano pa? Sir, paano yung ano lang bike? Bisikleta lang. Okay? Take note, sir, anong ibig sabihin ng pedestrian? Pag pedestrian tol, mauni ang a person na nag ano lang, Bisaya pa, nagbaktas lang. Take note everyone ha, pedestrian is a unit of traffic na walking lang siya sa gilid ng kalsada. Kaya nga take note ha, pag sinabing pedestrian, hindi po yan automatic na naka-refer sa pedestrian lane. Kupal ka ba? Hindi yan pedestrian lane. Kaya nga 'di ba tawag diyan pedestrian lane kasi nga diyan tatawid yung nag-ano lang. Okay, naglalakad. Take note everyone ha, naglalakad. Okay, next tayo tol, next tayo tol. Okay, kapag ano lang tol, bisikleta lang, that is what we call non-motor vehicle. Okay? Non-motor vehicle traffic accident. Magiging traffic accident lang 'yan kapag nabangga siya tol sa ano, kalsada. Nagkakaroon ng banggaan sa kalsada tol. How about ito? Okay? Non-motor vehicle non-traffic accident. Anong example dito tol? Okay, nasa private driveway po kayo. Okay? Pedestrian tsaka yung nagbabike, nagbanggaan sa private way. Okay, that is a non-motor vehicle non-traffic accident. Take note dyan tol ha, huwag nyo tong kakalimutan tol. Medyo mabilis lang yung pacing natin kasi nga, okay, para ano to, pangmalakasan kasi. Okay, sige sige. Buhay pa ba yung mga chupapi natin? Okay, sige. Next tayo tol, next. Okay. Classification of motor vehicle traffic accident. Classification of motor vehicle traffic accident. O, pag sinabing of tol ano, nalaglag. Okay, nalaglag. Usually characterized by a motor vehicle falling off the roadside. Yung mga nahulog. Running off tawag dyan ha. Running off yung mga nahulog. Okay? Pag sinabi namang non-collision on road, okay, non-collision on road, ganito. Okay? Natumba lang tol. Anong ibig sabihin ng collision tol? Okay, dalawang sasakyan na nagbanggaan. Ito, okay, not involved collision. Yung sasakyan lang tol nabangga. Wala siyang kaano. Nabangga lang siya sa puno. That is a non-collision on road. Ganito, oh, si Optimum Prime natulog. Alright? Sa mga ano dyan ha, baka magtaka kayo, medyo mabilis yung pacing natin. Okay? Next tayo tol, next tayo tol. Okay? Collision on road. Pag sinabing collision on road, nabangga po kayo. Okay? Sa isang object. Okay? Take note, kunyari ito, balikan natin. Non-collision tol. Okay? Non-collision, anong ibig sabihin ng non-collision? Kunyari, pag iwang-giwang sasakyan nyo tol, ganito yung nangyari tol. Okay? Kapag collision on road with motor vehicle, nabangga ka sa sasakyan. Ano pa? Nabangga mo yung nakapark na sasakyan. Okay? Nabangga mo yung train. Wow! Ano pa? Pedestrian. May nabangga kang pedestrian na naglalakad. Pedestrian nga, ito yung naglalakad. Okay, ano pa? Yung nagbabike tsaka yung fixed object. Kunyari, punong kahoy tol. Okay. When it comes to classification of accident, meron tayong tinatawag na fatal. Pag sinabing fatal, it involves death. Yan lang, hindi na tayo matagalan. Pag sinabing fatal, sir, accident talaga yan. Ay, death, sorry, death. Non-fatal, tol, meaning to say, pag non-fatal, wala pong mamamatay dyan. Okay? Wala pong mamamatay. Wala pong delikado ng buhay dyan. Okay? Ano ba, tol? Okay, property. Yung property damage, tol, nabangga mo yung, tol, nabangga mo yung tinda. Ano pa? Okay? Dito nga to sa ano to, yung mga property damage tol, ano, civil liability. Okay, civil liability. Kung maglundag tayo sa ano tol, nakakasunod pa ba? Press 3 nga. Press 3. Nakikinig pa ba kayo? Press tayo dyan tol. Wala na. Ay ng mga tsupapi natin. Okay? When it comes to property damage, nabangga nga na tol, nabangga mo yung isang property. Okay? It talks about the civil liability tol. Kaya nga pagdating natin, kung lulundag tayo tol sa ano tol, sa Article 11, okay, or the justifying circumstance, okay? Pag sinabing justifying tol, no criminal, no civil. Okay? No criminal, no civil liability. Unless or except ano tol, the article, hindi paragraph, ano yun? First, it depends, self-defense. Pangalawa, defense of relatives. Pangatlo, defense of strangers. Pangapat tol, avoidance. Dito tayo tol, avoidance of greater or evil injury. Kunyari tol, ganito. Habang nagmamaneho ka, okay, napansin mo, walang brake yung ano mo tol. Walang brake yung sasakyan. Nawala yung brake. Okay? Nawala yung brake tol in relation to your number 3 ha dito. Number 3. Nawala yung brake tol. Anong mangyayari tol? Nawala yung brake. Okay. Instead na babanggain mo tol, take note tol ha, maraming tao dito. Ari ganyan, maraming tao dyan. Okay, maraming mga tsupapi dyan tol. Okay? Tapos yung sasakyan mo, wala nang brake tol. Okay? Ang ginawa mo, binangga mo na lang sa tindahan. Pagbangga mo sa tindahan tol, walang namatay. Pero nasira mo yung ano niya, property. Basically, you don't have criminal liability, pero magbabayad ka. Okay, meron kang civil liability tol. Okay, ganyan po yan ha. Property damage and so on. Okay, next tayo. O dito tol, legit to tol, lumalabas to sa board exam. Okay, lalabas yan sa board exam tol, lumalabas. Okay, lagyan natin ng ano, drawingan natin yan tol. Aray ko. Iyon. O yan. Okay. Sheesh. Okay, dito tayo tol. Isa-isahin natin yan. Perception of hazard. Okay, start of evasive action. Ano ba tol? Initial contact, maximum engagement, disengagement, stopping, tsaka severity of accident. Okay, unahin natin tol yung point of perception. Pag sinabing point of perception mga tol, ito po yung masisense natin na madidisgrasya po tayo. Okay, from self-perception. Okay, ito yung mafe-feel natin na madidisgrasya po tayo tol. Okay, gets ba? Okay, seeing, feeling, or hearing, understanding the unusual or unexpected movement. Example dito, kunyari si Uncle nagbebisikleta tol, tapos ikaw papunta doon. Tapos bigla siyang liliko ng ganun. Awit ka doon tol. That is a perception of hazard. Okay, feeling mo talaga tatawid siya. Okay? Yung nafe-feel mo na tatawid siya tol, that is a perception of hazard. Nakuha ba? Perception of hazard po yan tol. Okay, kunyari ganito, papunta siya dyan, tapos ikaw, okay, ang gagawin dyan tol, banggaan mo na lang tol. Okay, babanggaan mo na lang. Okay? Sir, na-sense ko po sir na merong tatawid. Anong gagawin ko? Okay. Start of evasive action. Pag sinabing start of evasive action, pumreno po kayo. First action taken by a traffic unit to escape from a collision. Malamang magbe-brake ka. Okay, magbe-brake ka. Every time tol na magbe-brake po kayo, that is the start of evasive action. Diba? Bakit kayo magbe-brake? Para maiwasan yung disgrasya. Mabilis yung takbo nyo. Feeling nyo, hindi nyo na-control. That is the start perception of hazard. Pumireno kayo, that is the start of evasive action. So, example dito. Okay. Start evasive action. Unang action na ginawa nyo para maiwasan yung disgrasya. Okay. Sir, hindi talaga na ano sir, nagkaroon ng initial contact sir. Pag sinabing initial contact, ito yung pagtatouch ng is referred to first accidental touch of an object. Dito, tol, papasok ang point of no escape. Of no escape. Anong ibig sabihin, sir? Hindi mo na maiiwasan. Mahal mo na. Nagets ba? Hindi mo na maiiwasan, tol. Okay, madidisgrasya na. Okay, ano pa, tol? The maximum engagement. Kaya ano, sa maximum engagement din po, tol, appeal, kasama dito yung appeal daw, gagi. Point of no escape. Point of no escape, meaning hindi niya na maiiwasan talaga, tol. Nagkaano-ano na. Okay, the greatest collapse. Karaw, Bisaya, nagkaraw-karaw na. Okay, that is what they call maximum engagement. Okay, maximum engagement dyan, mga chupapi, ha. Ano pa? Disengagement. Ito yung paghihiwalay. Nagbanggaan tapos naghiwalay na. Okay. Take note everyone, na is the separation of traffic unit in motion form an object in which it has collided. Basically, tol, anong ibig sabihin, tol? After the maximum engagement, nagkaraw. Okay, magbulag na automatic. Okay, maghihiwalay yan. Yung paghihiwalay nila, that's what we call disengagement. After the separation, tol, mag-i-stay din na lang yan sila. Yung stay din na yun, tol, it is what we call stopping. Okay? Coming to rest. Okay? Tsaka dito, tinitingnan natin yung gaano kalala yung aksidente. Tinitingnan natin yan kung gaano kalala yung aksidente. Okay, severity of accident, number 7. Severity of accident. Okay? Buhay na buhay pa ba kayo dyan? Buhay na buhay pa ba? Aray ko. Okay? Severity of accident. Okay? Take note everyone, ha? Okay, dito tayo, tol. Of possible perception. Pag sinabing point of possible perception, okay, this is the place, time, which the hazard could have been received by a normal person. Okay, it precedes actually perception and is beginning of the perception delay. Ano ibig sabihin, tol? Pag sinabing point of possible perception, tol, example dito. Okay, anong ibig sabihin dito, tol? Ha? I-ano na lang natin dito, tol. Okay. Yung point of possible perception, tol, kunyari nagmomotor po kayo, highway yan, ha, highway. May aso dyan, tol. May aso dyan, tol. Pucha. Okay? Supposed to be, tol, pag may makita kang aso dyan, ano na yan, tol? Perception of hazard na sana yan. Nakuha nyo, tol. Kunyari, ito yung aso nasa gilid ng ano. Nasa gilid ng ano. Kalsada. Perception of hazard na yan. Kasi they're attending na. Tatawid yan. Pero anong nangyari, tol? Hinayaan mo lang. Okay, hinayaan mo lang, tol. Tumawid, tol. With ang kupal. Tapos ikaw, iba yung iniisip mo, tol. Diba? Habang nagda-drive ka, lumilipad na namang isip ko. Para bang nasa kalangitan. Aray ko. Diba? The time of the point possible perception is actual. Actual perception. Anong ibig sabihin? Delay. Naglalag ka, putya, tol. Late ka nang nag-ano, tol. Yung natutulala ka ba? Tulala ka sa pag-drive. That is what we call perception delay. Okay? Late ka nang nag-ano, nag-action. Late na yung start of evasive action mo. Ano mangyayari, tol? Magkakaroon ng initial contact. Okay. Pag magkakaroon na ng initial contact, diyan napapasok yung point of no escape na hindi mo na maiiwasan na magdisgrasya ka na. King ina mong hinayupa ka. Okay? So far, so good tayo dyan, tol. So far, so good tayo dyan. Naintindihan pa ba? Medyo mabilis tayo, ha? Medyo mabilis tayo, tol. Okay. Press 3 nga. All good tayo dyan. Press 3. Shit. Press 3 tayo dyan, tol. Press 3. Ha? Yan. Okay. Sige, tol. Sige, tol. Next tayo, tol. Next tayo, tol. Okay, o ito. Liabilities arising from a vehicular accident. Take note, ha? Liabilities tayo, tol. Okay? Liabilities. Culpa contractual, culpa aquiliana. Anong ibig sabihin dito? Pag sinabing culpa contractual, okay? Kunyari tol, ikaw yung driver ng taxi to, na-disgrasya ka. Okay? Na-disgrasya ka because of your negligence, na-injured yung pasahero mo, matik tol. Ikaw yung magbabayad yan tol. Kahit na pasahero mo yan. Nakuha nyo? Kahit na pasahero mo yan tol, ikaw ang magbabayad sa pasahero mo kapag na-disgrasya. Okay? Kapag akwilyana naman tol, may nabangga ka na pedestrian or naglalakad na tao. Nakuha nyo ba? Pag kulpa contractual, sumakay ka ng taxi, mabilis magpatakbo yung taxi tol. Example dito tol, yung mga sa kulpa contractual, yung mga bus. Yung mga bus tol, kapag na-discuss yung mga bus, tapos mayroong mayroong namatay na mga pasahero, yung magbabayad lang yung kumpanya ng bus, that is kulpa contractual. Pero kapag yung bus tol nakasagasa ng naglalakad na tao, that is what we call culpa aquiliana. Pag sinabing culpa aquiliana tol, okay, yung nasa labas lang, hindi mo kasama. Okay pa ba tayo dyan tol? Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Okay pa ba kayo dyan?
Ayaw cool. Bata pa ko cool.
Ako pa mo sa pagkatakong simpay.
Ayaw cool.
Okay, culpa criminal naman tayo tol. Ano meron sa culpa criminal? Liability caused by criminal negligence or that which result in the commission of a crime or a delict. Okay? Ganyan, tol. Okay? A passenger in a taxi was hurt because of the driver's... Ulit-ulit na lang yan. Mga yan, tol. Mga reckless driving, reckless imprudence resulting to homicide or damage to property. Automatic yan, tol. Okay? Sige. Dito tayo, tol. Okay, hit and run. Okay, hit and run. Other term nito is abandonment. Abandonment. Sa mga dyan, tol, sa mga hilig ng law dyan, okay, ganito yun, tol. When we define, crime, okay, this is an act or omission in violation of public law, forbidding or commanding it. Diba? That is definition of Black Laws Dictionary, tol, pag sinabing crime. Ganito tayo, ha? Para mas maano kayo, ma-relate natin to. Act or omission, okay, in violation of public law. Okay? Forbidding, ano nga? Act or omission in violation of public law, forbidding or commanding it. Okay? Forbidding or commanding, mga chupapi. Commanding. Basically, itong act, para hindi kayo malilito dyan, itong act, ginawa mo, pero bawal. Bawal, forbidding. Omission, tol, okay, hindi mo ginawa na kailangan mong gawin. Commanding it. Sir, anong connect, sir, sa mo, sir, sinabi? Take note, tol, ang omission, hindi mo ginawa na kailangan mong gawin. This is an act of abandonment. Nagets nyo ba? Abandonment. Matik na yan. Wala nang dyan, tol. Abandonment, matik. Okay, kung titingnan nyo sa revised penal code, tol, abandonment lang. Kasi usually, forbidding yung mga dyan eh. Diba? Kunyari sa Ten Commandments nga, diba? Forbidding halos lahat. Okay. Sir, nakasagasa ko, general rule, tol, kailangan mo talaga yang balikan. Or hindi mo talaga yan iwan. What are the exemptions, tol? Okay. Take note, ha? Dito tayo, evading responsibility. Sabi dito, tol, kailangan mo siyang tulungan. Okay. Bawal mong iwan, pero except in the circumstances. Bawal mong iwan, tol, pero there are circumstances na pwede. Number one, example dito, tol, yung sa Cagayan de Oro, yung jeep, tol, na nasagasaan niya yung bata. What happened, tol? Diba? Ginulpi yung driver. Diba? Kung sa Bisaya ba, gikulata ang driver, tol. On that particular matter, okay, yung driver is in imminent danger. Pwede siyang tumakas. Justifiable yun, tol. Pwede siyang tumakas. Ano pa, tol? Pwede siyang tumakas kapag nagtawag siya ng pulis. Ano pa? Nagtawag siya ng Doktor Chupapi. Okay? Yan lang naman eh. Huwag niyong pahirapan ninyo, tol. Okay? What are the elements of hit and run cases, tol? Okay? What are the elements? Okay? 1, 2, 3. Suspect was involved in an accident. Okay? Kailangan yun sa accident. Injury man yan o namatay. Ano pa pangalawa? Suspect failed to stop. Hindi siya huminto. Okay? Hindi siya huminto. Ano pa? Do not overlook the possibility of simulated second accident to explain damage caused by the first accident. Kunyari, tol, nakasagasa ka na, tol, hindi mo pa binalikan, there is a possibility na makakasagasa ka ulit. Okay, number 4. Ano yung element? Suspect had knowledge of the accident. Bakit kailangan, sir, na malaman niya na nagkaroon ng disgrasya? Because, kunyari, tol, sa articulated vehicle, alam niyo articulated vehicle, tol, yung mga tin-wheelers ba? Sa layman pa na mga tin-wheelers. What if, tol, nainisingit ba? Sa tapos nagasaan sa likod. Hindi yan mamamalaya ng driver. Nagets niyo, tol? Hindi yan mamalaya ng driver. So basically, tol, kailangan aware sila na nagkaroon ng disgrasya. Kasi hindi yan magiging hit and run, tol, kapag hindi sila aware na meron palang na disgrasya. Ano pa? Physical evidence may prove the vehicle figured in accident. Number 6. Extensive damage to vehicle would preclude allegation and lack of damage or lack of knowledge, and guard against claims that the vehicle was stolen to evade responsibility. Okay. Classes of hit and run, tol, lasing. Ano pa, tol? Yung during hot pursuit, tol, criminals fleeing the crime. Hot pursuit, nakasagasa pa. Improperly licensed drivers or drivers with no license. Okay, walang mga lisensya, tol. Okay, makasagasa, tol, tatakas na lang, tol, kasi nga wala silang driver's license. Ano pa? Meron matakas, tol, kasi nga natatakot mapahiya, tsaka ano pa? Ignorance of accident. Pag sinabing ignorance of accident, hindi nila alam, tol, na may nadisgrasya pala, may nakabangga pala sa likod nila. Ano pa? Merong ibang tumatakas ng dahil nagpapanik. Out of emotion. Ano pa? Drug addicts, insurance and financial reasons, juveniles. Okay, ito lumabas na tol sa February sa mga dyan mag-take ng August, tol. Note nyo ito, the Dr. Okay, it is the party, the party who had the final clear opportunity to avoid the accident pero hindi niya ginawa is liable. Nakuha niyo, tol. Example dito, tol, is ganito. Okay? Balikan natin, tol, Kunyan yan. Umovertake si Chupapi, tol, nag-overtake siya. Tapos dito, tol, merong vehicle A. Alam ni vehicle A na nag-overtake si vehicle B. Hindi nag-brake si vehicle A. Hindi nag-brake kasi nga si vehicle B, hindi siya pwedeng mag-brake kasi nga nag-overtake siya. Nag-overtake siya, hindi siya pwede mag-brake. What happened, tol? Nagbanggaan silang duha. Sinong liable dyan? Si A or si B? Definitely si A. Okay, note nyo to ha, February 2026. Okay, February 2026 yan. Okay. Key aspects of last clear chance, tol. Anong mga aspekto sa last clear chance? Hapit na. Okay, lang to? 17 slides na lang, tol. Malapit nang matapos, tol. Okay. Key as negligence of parties. Okay. It is used in jurisdiction with both contributory negligence rules to determine liability when both parties are fault. Ano pa? Last opportunity. Sinabing last opportunity, the negligent act party must appreciably later Okay, than the other. Ano pa? Preventive action. If a driver committed in the collision through the reasonable care, okay, despite this driver's initial negligence, they are liable. Anong ibig sabihin, sir? Kahit na negligent yung driver, tol, okay, kung ikaw naman aware ka na mababangga kayo tapos wala kang ginawa, you are liable pa rin. Just imagine ha, liable. Despite the other's initial negligence. Tapos ikaw pala yung may chance, tol, na makakaiwas ng disgrasya, tol. Matik, tol, liable ka. Okay? Ano yung limits dito? Kasi dito sa last clear chance, kailangan merong perception of hazard. Gets nyo? Ano ang perception of hazard? Meron silang, aware sila na merong danger. Pero tol, ma-apply ba to tol kapag biglaan, tol? Hindi. It does not apply if the accident happens so suddenly, biglaan, tol. Pagliko, tol, surprise, aray ko. Nagkakaroon ng surprise, matik, tol. Okay? Hindi yan applicable. Okay? Example dito, if a driver illegally trips into the opposite lane but an oncoming driver sees this and instead of braking, continues to forward and crashes. Okay, the oncoming driver may be liable under this doctrine. Kung maintindihan nyo, kahit na nakita na ng driver, tol, na merong kung sa Bisaya pa, nakakawat og linya, wala siya ni brake, matik, tol, ang driver nga, katong nakabantay, liable. Okay? Ito na-discuss ko na to, avoidance of greater or evil injury. Okay? Okay na to. Yan. Okay? The use of principles of driving tayo. Okay? Use of principles of driving, principles, the right of way, and rules of governing parking. Okay, dito tayo, tol, keep right. Okay? Keep right. In case of one way, the left lane shall be the fast lane and the slow lane is the right. Okay? Observe the road courtesy. Anong ibig sabihin ng road courtesy? When it comes to emergency, tol, mga emergency vehicles, yung yield na kanila. Okay? Ibig mo lang ng daan. Okay? Ano pa, tol? May pang-delete tayo lang. Ish! Okay. Dito tayo to sa right of way. Okay. Nasa board exam din to, tol. Okay, right of way, tol. Listahan natin yan. Right of ikaw yung unang dadaan. Ang lang ha, ulit lang, tol. Dinig pa ba tayo? Malapit na tayong matapos, tol. Okay. Mag-alala talaga. Medyo tayo ha, naka times 2. Okay lang ba yon? Okay. Pag sinabi, kita yung screen natin, kita yung screen. Kita yung screen, tol. Kita yung screen natin dyan. Press 1 nga kung kita yung screen. Press 1 kayo. Tol. Kita yung screen natin. Yan. Yung tol. Okay. Kasi ito po yung unang. It's a privilege na ito yung unang. Okay. When it comes to intersection, tol. Sure. Okay. The one left will give way to the right vehicle. Meaning, si left yung mag-yield. Okay. Yung right, tol, has the right of way. Siya yung unang dadaan pagdating sa intersection. Okay? Dito naman, tol, pedestrian. Driver should yield to pedestrian crossing except at intersection whereas the movement of vehicles is regulated by a police. So, take note, everyone, kaya, diba, yung mga sinasabi ng natin, kung dadaan ka dyan, tol, matik ko yung vehicle dito, magbe-brake talaga yan sila automatic. Okay? Kapag nasa province po kayo, sila pa yung manggagalit po, kinangina. Okay? Dito tayo, tol. Okay? Through highway, railroad crossing, pag sinabing through highway or railroad crossing to, sa ano to? Okay? Sa tawag nito, okay? The driver full stop for traverse intersection. Okay. Ano pa? Emergency vehicle o tol sa kanila. Okay. Ano pa? Pang private road to highway. Kunyari tol, ganito tol. Kunyari ganyan, highway dito sa ano. Lalabas ka tol. Sinong ano mag-yield? Ikaw ang mag-yield. Sir, anong mag-yield, sir? Magbigay ng daan sa kanila. Okay, from private road to highway. Sino mag-yield? Yung private. Yung nasa private, ano tawag nito? Bubulol tayo, private road. Okay. Dito tayo, tol, when it comes to prohibited parkings, saan bawal mag-park? Bawal ka mag-park sa intersection. Bawal ka mag-park sa crosswalk. Bawal ka sa crosswalk. Ano pa? Within 5 meters of an intersection. Okay? Ano pa? Bawal kang mag-park within 4 meters at the driveway sa entrance ng fire station, clinics, and other similar establishment. Bawal ka din. Okay, within 4 meters na malapit sa fire hydrant. Okay, ano pa to? In front of private driveway, tsaka at any place where no parking signs have been installed. Take note dito, tol, ha? Kasi nga, tol, suki po yan. Malamang is plakak busa. Okay? Ito, tol, oh, when in doubt, huwag kang mag-overtake. Kasi nga, halos lahat ng mga nadisgrasya nasa pagdududa. Kailangan sigurado po kayo dyan. Okay ba, tol? Naintindihan nyo ba, tol? Naintindihan nyo ba so far? Okay, sanay, naintindihan nyo talaga, tol, ha? Although, ano yung facing natin, tol? Medyo mabilis-bilis. Okay. Kung mag-o-overtake po kayo, kailangan maka mag-signal. Okay? Ano pa? Kung mag-o-overtake po kayo, kailangan lane is clear. Okay? Kailangan yung lane is clear. Ano pa? Okay. Maneuver at your own risk. Okay, the vehicle being overtaken is the privileged vehicle. Okay, driver's keep his lane, maintain speed, and yield to overtaking vehicle. Anong ibig sabihin, tol? That is why, okay, lalo na kapag ano, mga articulated vehicle, kunyari tol, articulated mga 10-wheelers ba? Kunyari mga 10-wheelers, ganito. Yung mga haba, yan, mga 10-wheelers, tol. Ano 10-wheelers yan? Gagawa na ka ng teteng. Kung mag-o-overtake ka na, lalo na kung yung motor mo mahina, di ba? Walang ano, walang bitaw. Di ba? Ang gagawin nila dito, tol, okay? Kung makikita nila na mag-overtake dyan, kailangan maintain speed lang sila or kaya nga yung iba mag-ano, magbi-brake para mabilis ka lang makabawi. Okay? Take note. He shall increase his speed until overtaking has cleared the way. Ganyan. Kailangan mabilis yung takbo mo dito, tol. Okay? Mabilis yung takbo mo dyan para mabilis kang makabawi. At the same time, yung vehicle dito, tol, steady lang po yan or magbi-brake to give you the way. Okay? O, basta roll tayo, tol. Ano meron sa basta roll? Para tuturno ba? Okay? Once yung bus, okay, the bus is queued in a single file. Okay? Nakalinya yan sila in their order arrival. Torno, kung sa Bisaya. Lead bus moving toward the center of column buses lining on the bus stop zone and remain until zone is filled up with buses but not longer 3 minutes. Kunyari, tol, sa bus stop, tol, kapag hihinto kayo dyan, okay? O sa terminal, yung unang darating, yun yung unang ano, aalis. That is the bus stop rule. Okay. Rules to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Okay, keep lanes and intersection open in heavy and slow traffic to avoid overtaking. Wala na yan. O ito. Observe traffic management measures at saka philosophy of Pinoy driver. Ano meron tol? Okay, motorist observe activity of the vehicle. Restrictions on road on drive. Take note dito tol. Lumabas talaga to. Hindi to nawawala tol. Okay, pedestrian naman. Pag sinabing pedestrian tol, keep off the roadway except when crossing or crosswalk. Merong iba tol naglalakad tol. Okay? Merong iba tol naglalakad. Okay? Nandun sa white lane. Kunyari ganito tol. Ganyan. Okay? Tapos meron dito tol. Merong iba dito naglalakad. Diyan. Kailangan dito kayo maglalakad sa merong iba sa soldering. Okay sir, ano yung soldering? Yung sa pinakagilid ng kalsada, yung na wala nang semento. That is what we call the soldering. Okay. Yung international safety reminder natin is safety first, international. Pero yung sa Philippines, keep right. Philippines, keep right. Matik. Ito pa tol. Okay. Whistle. One long blast is stop. Kapag two short snappy, go. Kapag three blast naman, ask for assistance. Alright, mga Japati. Okay. Any questions? Okay, that's all for our traffic toll. Okay. Yan lang naman sa traffic natin, mga Japati. Okay, may naintindihan ba kayo kahit papaano, kahit na medyo times to tayo, mga tol?